Well, shiver me timbers if it isn't the next episode of my playthrough of Monkey Island. Right, okay, so we have... Earlier today, when I recorded it, I recruited someone for my crew. But we are still left with the issue of getting a job somehow. Now, crikey, what's going on here? Meanwhile, hello. Having just returned from Melee, LeChuck and his crew find their old hiding place in the underground rivers of Monkey Island and drop anchor. It's a fucking sheriff. Captain, sir, I just stopped by to congratulate you on your kidnapping mission. Captain? Oh my goodness. Captain, are you alright? Bloody hell. It was LeChuck all along. Never felt better. And how fares our prisoner? Ah yes, the prisoner. We had a little trouble. Trouble? Nothing to worry about, sir. Everything's under control. She escaped a few times, but we've got her locked up in the brig. No one's getting in or out of there. For your sake, I hope not. With years of planning almost destroyed by my death, I'm not taking any chances now. So what's that back? You took care of Mr. Freakwood then? Guybrush Freakwood will not be a problem. At this very moment, he's 20 feet underwater. Probably bloated up like a fattened pig. His eyes being eaten out by crabs. Fish pecking at his fingers. Kind of makes you wish you were there to watch. Ah, yes sir. Yak. Sure it does at that. Now go check on the route. Make sure it's locked up tight. Aye aye, Captain. Route? The hell's a route? So interesting that cutscene happened then. I would have thought that would have clicked in earlier, really, when we heard of the kidnapping of the governor. Anyway, as I was saying before, in terms of getting a job, I was thinking maybe we should return to the circus. Maybe we can get a job with them, since as we were used as the human cannibal before. So let's give that a go. Could be on a fool's errand here, but let's give it a go. Those crazy spaghetti brothers are still in there, but we can't go in. Okay, right. So that idea was obviously a load of old bollocks. So, okay, cutscene was talking about us being under the sea and all that. Obviously we're not dead. Okay, we just carry on as we were. Swordmaster, no. New ship emporium, no. We need to get a job. House, what was that again? Oh yeah, that was the sword teacher. Let's go back into the village then. And shitting, don't know. We shall see, we shall see. Faster, Freakwood, faster! Hello, that's me in there. Doo-doo-doo. Right. Right, so we've talked to this parrot prick. He won't talk to us. Let's talk to these ones again. Yeah. Did you know the governor's been kidnapped? Well, yes, we knew about that. Why are you just standing around instead of doing something about it? I'm going after those immaterial authority figure nappers. Are you with me? Can I interest you in a dream vacation to Monkey Island? I'm going to go for that one. Because of this sudden change in local government, I'm prepared to offer you a once-in-a-lifetime price on the cruise to this scenic wonderland. That's scenic wonderland. Monkey Island! And the amazing thing about this offer is the price. Absolutely free. All you have to do is help me crew the ship and Island Paradise can be yours. Free. And we might just rescue some... well, it went too fast. The governor can probably take care of herself. And we are sort of busy here. Yeah. And we've got the circus to think of. Just been there. We've got to find the elephant. Find the rat. Yeah. And get rid of these minutes. I'm sorry, we simply can't go at this time. Right. No bloody help there. Right, our options are going away. Let's go back into the fortune teller, see if we can now talk to her. Let's have a look here. No, she isn't. But let's call for her. Yikes! So you've returned to learn future. I see you with some others willing to help in your cause. Oh, that's promising. I really hate that flashing. It makes me see spots. Quiet! I'm getting another vision. You must... Must what? You must go to Monkey Island. Once there, you will search for the ghost pirate LeChuck. He hides deep, deep beneath Monkey Island. There is only one thing powerful enough to destroy LeChuck. What? It's an ancient root. Once prepared, the root can destroy a ghost with one touch. Right, that's the root. I'm getting more. More vision. Visions! Spill it! I see the cannibals that live on the island. Crikey. They are helping you. Or eating you. I can't tell. The vision isn't coming in clear anymore. Oh dear. Now go and find the one that loves you. But be warned. Don't worry, I'll watch out for LeChuck. Not of LeChuck, of yourself and what you will find. What you will find about yourself and your world. It will terrify you. It doesn't bode well. We've just totally vanished then. Okay, is there anything we can get this time? No, trunk. Didn't think I did that. Yeah, it probably has. Alright, let's get out of here. So, she hasn't told us anything that we didn't already know. Let's go... Who the hell... Right, let's go back to the prisoner, maybe. Maybe he's... Hello? Who's this? May I help you? I'm here to loot the governor's mansion. Okay, this is just so we don't go there anymore. And do you have reservations, sir? Reservations for looting? Why, yes, I do have reservations. I'm going to go for the first one. Oh, yes, very popular when the governor's away. Chaos would ensue if we didn't have a system. Now, unless you have reservations, you'll have to leave. I do have reservations. And what name would they be under? Freakwood, Guybrush Freakwood. I think that's the first one there on the top of the list. It's probably under S for Shine Top. Let's do that one. Nice try, but we're booked solid for the next 5 hours. Right, but I might be able to squeeze you in around the 2 o'clock hour. Would that be okay? Yeah, go on, why not? Totally pointless. Super. I'll put you down for 1 to loot the governor's mansion at 2:30. Jolly good. Bloody rat's back. Right, see if he's... See if we could recruit this one. Governor's... Well, keep... Yeah. Governor's been kidnapped. What? Here, look at this note. They've kidnapped the governor? That really makes me mad. I feel like kicking someone. I wonder if she left her place unlocked. If I let you out, would you join my crew? Yes. Sure. Of course, to my emancipator I shall be eternally indebted. Until then, I pace. Right, so we need to get the bugger out of there, but... oh, I've got a load of bloody crap here. Totally stuck here. Use shovel with lock. Don't think that'll open it. No, I agree. It's not going to be anything we've got there from the old stuff. Staple remover doesn't work. Mugs? No. Business card? Use business card. Unlock. Nope, not surprised there. Need a way of opening that bloody lock, don't we? Look, I appreciate you trying to keep me company and everything, but unless you're a lawyer, or you know some way to magically dissolve this lock, I really don't see any point in continuing this conversation. Right, that just gave me a bloody idea. Remember the disaster that was filling one of the mugs with grog? It's a timed thing, so we're going to have to be very quick. Bloody quick, actually. Maybe we have to fill all of the... Can we fill the grog from mug to mug, perhaps? Interesting. Well, I'll save it in a minute, just in case. Yes, it's probably that, because it does melt the pewter itself. I was wondering as well earlier whether the tankards would regenerate if we're destroying them, because else it's, you know, an impossible, you just get a dead end. And I guess they've covered all dead ends in this, but you never know. Right, okay, right, I'm just going to save it. Okay, can we use... Aha! Right, that was the idea I had, so we can just keep... Yes, that's why you've got 5 of them. Right, I'm just going to reload it, because I just wanted to test that. Right, so, we fill the first mug up, and we just keep doing it until it melts into nothing. Right, this stuff is eating right through the mug. Yes, indeed it is. So we just got to keep an eye on it. So it's melting. When it gets to near to death, we can transfer it to the other one. Might even be able to do it on one, maybe. Yeah, so I probably didn't need to be quite as careful about the old mug situation. But you never know with these games. There might have been a puzzle where you needed all 5. Shit! Oh god. Use mug need. Right, try again. Right. I'll do it this time. Just gotta be a bit... No, you fucking idiot. Use mug with the old grog. Right, I was a bit too cavalier there. When it's near death, that's too late, so I'll go to here. I'll go to the next screen and then transfer it there. Here we are, okay. Use melting mug with mug. Good, right, there we are. It's a great puzzle. I like it. Let's do it one more time. Good. Use mug of grog on the lock. Hey, great, a drink. I'm real thirsty. Yikes. Wow. And to think I used to drink that stuff. I'm free. Oh yeah, thanks. Oi, sucker. Oh no. But do we still have a deal? I'm sure he'll be back. He gave me his word as a pirate. Guybrush, you shouldn't have trusted him. It's welded shut. Okay. Well, that was bloody pointless. Righty-ho. Maybe he's... Okay, 2:30, right, fair enough. Come back then. Now what? Not there. Should we try up the alleyway? Why not? No. Bugger all going on here. Nope, come on. I was hoping that would lead to slightly more. Wait a second. I hike halfway across the island, whatever. Just wondering whether we could use the grog on the old safe, but don't know what to do now. Get one of my notes and we'll fill it out, eh? What the hell's changed? Oh my god, am I supposed to have remembered that? Oh shit. Let's see here. What did you say your occupation was? Grog swilling, foul smelling pirate. I'm waiting tables at the Scum Bar. I'm an acrobat with a travelling circus. I clean ships over at Stan's used shipyard. Let's go with the old acrobat one. I got a feeling none of these will work, but you're one of the Fettuccini brothers. Where's your silly accent? And where are your silly slippers? Come back when you've got a job in a credible business. Right, let's memorize this. Memorize it. Two to left, 3 to the right. Oh my Christ. I'm gonna have to... Right, we'll have to do that again. Maybe I can remember. So down to the bottom, round to the right, then back to the left. Let's just see if I can do it. Yeah, get on with it. I've got to open your bloody safe. Right, I remember the first 3, but I don't remember what happened on the last. Right, come on then. Right, so was it... It's the pull and push thing though, isn't it? So, right, that was 1 down to the bottom. Then Oh, you twat. Right, okay. So, pull, pull, push. Hey! Bastard. Then we've got to go back up to the top. So push. It's gone back to that. Push. Handle. Now we've got to pull again. And again. Then what was it? Maybe push right around. Maybe the opposite. Boom! There's nothing in here but this note. Haha! Yes! Haha! Excellent! Yeah, I remembered the first 3 positions and I thought the last one was the opposite. Anyway, did it. Right, we've got our note now. Let's go and get our ship. Yes, let's get the ship. This is going bloody well at the moment. Better save it again in a sec. Or shall I? Wearing a blanket this evening like an old man because it's a bit cold in here. Not going to talk to him. Right. Let's go there. Get our ship. Right. Howdy. Great to see you again. I knew you'd come back. Everybody does. Now, you know why they come back? Just look at all these ships. I've got something for everyone. Come take a look around. I wasn't using that voice earlier, but I think it might be fitting. What else can I show you? Let's go back to my own voice because I can't keep it up. Right. Should we go for the big one or should we? I don't know what. I mean, hopefully the note will cover us for anything. Of course it does. It's mine. And it's not for sale. What else can I show you? Okay, let's go for that big red one then. I knew it! I knew it! Just can't get out of your mind, can you? Walk this way. Now here's a ship. It's definitely worth a second look. Let's talk about money. Your money. Right, here we go. I'd love to. I really would. I usually do, but not for the amount this baby's going to run you. Maybe one of the other ships would be more in your price range. Okay, fair enough. What else can I show you? Right, it's going to be the crappiest one he's got. Not too expensive, built to last. Let's just go for that. It's probably going to be a canoe. Have no fear. Every ship I sell is a bargain. But if you're looking for a real steal, I've got just the boat for you. Walk this way. The Viking one? No. This here is the famous Sea Monkey, the only ship ever to make it to Monkey Island, and come back with anyone aboard left alive. Or should I say, anything. You see, the previous owners of the ship were 2 adventurous pirates. They set off, like many before, to find the legendary secret of Monkey Island. and like many before, they disappeared forever. Their fate, a mystery, almost as mysterious as how the ship returned to Melee Island without a single human aboard. Some claim it was sailed back by a crew of chimps. Chimps? There aren't any chimps in the Caribbean. Oh, shut up. It makes a good story. Anyway, this baby's mine now. That is, until someone makes me an offer. How much would you like to spend? Right, there we go. It's going to be the credit note. Hey, of course. Your credit's always good as stands. It doesn't matter if you've had credit problems in the past. Divorce, bankruptcy, chronic gambling mishaps. I mean, who am I to judge, right? If the storekeeper trusts you enough to give you a letter of credit, then you must be an honest man with a steady income, right? Right. Let's get down to brass tacks, shall we? I know you want it. You know you want it. And I know that you know that I want to sell it, so let's talk extras. I'd like to make you an offer. Well, what do you think it's worth? Let's watch. I don't know what I'm doing here. Let's talk extras. Extras? You want to talk extras? Great! This baby's loaded with extras. For instance, did I tell you about the porthole defoggers? Gee, Stan, that does sound useful. Yep, I can do without that. Okay, but don't blame me if you run into an iceberg or something. But wait, there's more. Did I tell you about the anti-lock anchor? Yes. He's just going to give us a load of gump, isn't he? Let's just see how much he wants. Or I'll make him an offer. $2,000, $3,000. I'll go for a low one, but I'm probably going to have to go in at top end, but sure, I guess we can start out at the bottom. I got all day. I'm going to be getting a whole new shipment next week, so you got me over a barrel. I've got to sell this baby, even if it means losing my shirt. Yeah, what do you think it's worth, you bastard? You could steal this puppy away today for just 10,000 pieces of 8. How does that sound to you? That sounds terrible. Well, it looks like we're going to have to just keep rising. This is a bit tedious, especially if this isn't the way to do it. But it's a little bit more like it, but not much. I know you can try harder than that. Just tell me, what would it take you to get you to sail this ship away? Today! Okay, let's go for the next one up. As tedious as it is, I think that's what we're supposed to do. 4,000. That's a little bit more like it, but not much. I know you can try harder than that. You realize, don't you, that they just don't make them like this anymore? It's probably haunted. I don't know if I even want it. Oh shit, I've pressed the wrong one. Oh, it's gone down to 9,000. Haha, right, so we got to barter. This is okay, right, okay. Right, let's go for the making him squirm a bit thing. There we are. That's my job, isn't it? Buddy, you can tell me the truth. It's the little woman, isn't it? You're afraid of what she'll say when you come home with a new ship. Don't be such a wimp. Stand up to her. She'll respect you for it. And when she sees this ship, she'll love you for it. Trust me. Okay, let's go in with my top end. 5 grand. That's a little bit more like it. But not... Oh, bollocks. I don't understand. I thought you were interested in this ship. So what does he think it's worth now then? Oh my god, it's only gone down to that. Right. Okay, so if we keep taking the extras off, maybe. Live without the anchor. Rack and pinion rudder. Nope. Okay, so I think each piece we take off may make it a bit less. Did I tell you about the velar sail covers? No. Take them off. Hey, travel light, I understand. I can understand that, sure. Of course, mutiny is an ugly word, but wait, there's more. Did I tell you about the tachometer? Don't need that. Wow, does your wife know you're such a cheapskate? But wait, there's more. Did I tell you about the elevator made of wood from Burgundy wine casks? Oh, yes, that sounds quite luxurious. But I don't want it. Yeah, I guess that is kind of decadent, isn't it? But wait, there's more. This is tedious. Did I tell you about the simulated wood siding? No. But I'm telling you, barnacles hate simulated wood. But wait, there's more. Of course there is. Did I tell you about the porthole? 8? I've already done that one. Right, so yeah, we've gone through the cycle. So hopefully he'll accept the 5,000 now. There. Come on. 5,000 pieces of 8. Yes, come on. Okay, yeah. It's killing me, but okay. And I thought I was going to give you my children Christmas presents this year. Give my children Christmas presents. Just take it out of here. I'm glad to get rid of it. Splendid. Oh yeah, do you have that note from the storekeeper on you? Thanks. I've got to run these numbers by my boss. He'll think I'm nuts, but I'll talk him into it. You meet me at the dock with your crew. I'll bring the ship and the papers. I just want to say that I really feel like we got to know each other today. I mean, I really felt some bonding here. And I don't just say that to everybody. It's been great doing business with you. Really. He says that to everyone, of course. Sucker. See you at the dock, and don't forget your crew. All 3 of them. Ah, right. So we've got. Let's have a look at it. It looks like it's half submerged. It may not look like much, but it's mine. Okay, so we've got 1 more crew member to get. Who the hell would that be? So we've got the meat hook chap, or Chrome Dome as I like to call him. We've also got the one that we've rescued. Could try the Swordmaster. Let's try see if the old teacher's up for it, if he's back. I'm thinking he won't be there. Nope. Okay, shall we try the Swordmaster? Yeah. Or the circus at a push. Maybe the lookout chap. This is a long shot. But you never know, you never know. Hello? What's she doing? Looks like she's rotating. You've already got the t-shirt. What do you want now? I want to embarrass you at sword fighting again. I want us to make up and be friends. The governor's been kidnapped. Let's go straight for that. What? That's ridiculous. Oh no. This looks bad. Very bad. I'm getting a ship and crew together to rescue her. To go rescue her. I have a feeling I'm going to regret this, but count me in. Boom. I'll meet you at the dock. Right. There we are. We have got our crew, I think. Let's go to the dock and see what happens. I'm assuming the dock is just back at the... would that be there? Or is it back at the village? Not sure. No, it's got to be where we bought the thing. Although he said he would take the ship there. Okay, let's try the village just in case. Unless it's over here. No. Oh, something's going on. Probably crashed. Yes. Alright. Hey, it's a good thing you showed up. 10 people have offered to buy this baby off me while I've been standing here waiting for you. I bet. But I said no way. I know a guy who's in love with the ship, and it would break his heart to lose it. Am I right? Of course I am. I mean, just look at her. Sleek, aerodynamic, a buoyant barnacle-covered beauty. I think we're having a real moment here. I've changed my mind. I can't give her up. You can have your money back. How could I sell something so dear? Then again, a deal's a deal, right? Right, catch you later. Good luck, enjoy. I'm out of here. Whoops, I almost forgot to give you this free seafaring literature. My gift to you. Just remember where you got it. Stands. Maybe I should have gotten that extended warranty after all. Hey, long time no see. Otis, I thought I'd never see you again. I didn't even know he was called Otis. You little two-faced cretin, you tricked me. Have you come to be on my crew? Your Aunt Tilly makes lousy carrot cake. Let's give him a bit of that, because I am the captain. Oh, come on, don't be bitter. I'm here to help, not just for the money. Money? Yeah, we're getting paid for this, right? Glad you could make it, Clara. Is it true what I heard about you and the storekeeper? Let's do a bit of that. Yeah, go on then. Look, don't start with me, okay? So what's that waterlogged wreck doing out there? How are we going to get in our ship here with the pile of scrap in the way? Where's the cabin boy? I need him to go back to my place and pick up my bags. What's going on here? Where's our ship? Where's our crew? This isn't going to be as easy as I thought. Part 2, the journey. Yes. Right, I've definitely never got this far. Never. I don't even know. Well, I don't think I ever beat the... Hello. Through the courageous leadership of Captain Freepwood, the Sea Monkey is finally underway. Undaunted by their lack of navigational equipment or expertise, the crew begins to plan their voyage. Lovely. First of all, I'd like to say it's great to be working with such a fine crew. The voyage ahead is not going to be easy. It's going to take skill, endurance, and most of all, teamwork. First, I thought we'd assign some duties. What is it we were suckered into doing again? I made a list. Suckered is right. I don't see what the big deal is with rescuing the governor. She can clearly take care of herself. The way I look at it, we've got this great ship. Well, we've got a ship. Why don't we kick back, tie a rope to the wheel and cruise for a while? I could use a little work on my tan. Come to think of it, I've been a little stressed out lately. I could use a rest. Then it's decided. We cruise the Caribbean. Sigh. Okay. I'm doomed. Right, lovely. We are on our ship. Exciting. Right, I may have to end it here. Let me just check how much time I've spent. Okay, that's only 40 odd minutes, so let's go a little bit longer. Let's just check out this room, the captain's quarters. Right, let's have a look at that. It looks like a ballpoint feather pen. Shall we pick it up? I think we should. Yes. And an inkwell, yes. I don't see anything special about it, but we'll pick the fucker up. Yes. Right, what else have we got? Drawer. Let's open it. Look at the drawer. There is an old dusty book inside. It says, Captain's log, March 10th. First mate Tufrot and I have been searching for Monkey Island for over a month with no success. The directions we purchased on Melee proved to be a recipe, not a map as we had believed. Captain's log, March 12th. I wish Tufrot would take a bath. Captain's log, March 17th. I wish Tufrot would stop snoring. Captain's log, March 23rd. Tufrot is really started to get on my nerves. I figure it's only a matter of time before we come to blows. Captain's log, April 2nd. It's a gesture to restore our friendship. Tufrot offered to fix dinner tonight. Captain's log, April 3rd. I don't know how we did it, but we've arrived at Monkey Island. But both Tufrot and I passed out from the soup he fixed last night. When we awoke, Monkey Island was sitting off the bow. Captain's log, April 4th. Tufrot and I filled the rowboat with supplies and are ready to set out to Monkey Island. We are both excited at the prospect of being the first civilized people to learn the secret of Monkey Island. Captain's log, April 5th. We had to turn around and return to the ship. Tufrot forgot to go to the bathroom before we left. We'll set out again tomorrow. That's the last entry. Oh dear. That was a bookmark. It's the top of a cereal box used as a bookmark. I've used some very odd things in the past as bookmarks. Maybe even a cereal box. Okay, let's have a look at this chest. It looks like an old treasure chest. There's bound to be treasure in there, isn't there? Okay, what's in there? It looks like an empty chest. Okay. Okay, right, what else have we got here? That's back to the top deck. It's the captain's bed. It's made. Must be dealer prep. Okay. Looks like there's a monkey there, possibly. Okay, let's have a look at this cabinet. Seems to be locked up tight. We can't get into the cabinet. There's a puzzle to be solved here, I imagine. Maybe pull the chest? No. What could we do here, I wonder? Use Captain's bed. There'll be time for that later. Okay. Let's have a look at this leaflet. It's called How to Get Ahead in Navigating. Okay, let's have a look at the brochure. It's called How to Arm Yourself in Sea Battle. Okie dokie. That's just nothing special about it. So, right. Not quite sure what to do here. Let's go back out here and have a see if there's anything else to do out here. Yep, they're all nicely chilled. Mutinous crew. Okay, we've got a cannon and we've got a rope ladder. I'm going to save it. Alright, let's see if I can climb up the old ladder. Oh, we can. What a fine looking flag. Shiver me timbers, just looking at it. Shivers me timbers. Okay. Doesn't appear to be anything to do up there, but that's, no, it was a bit hasty there. Let's have a look here. No. Maybe I can pick it up. Oh my god, I've got the Jolly Roger. Was that wise? I don't know. Have a look at this cannon. I don't see anything special about it. So there's a nozzle, is there? Deja vu, indeed. Only other thing is to talk to these mutinous wretches. Okay. Hey guys, what's happening? I hear the weather's pretty nice over Monkey Island. I'm going to give you mutineers 5 seconds to come to your senses. Yes. Then I'm going to start kicking some ass. Excuse me, Guybrush. Does the word keelhaul mean anything to you? Keelhaul. To haul under the keel of a ship as punishment or torture. Okay, right. So they're not going to be playing ball here. So let's have a look at the cannon itself, because I had a look at the nozzle before. I didn't see. Well, there's got to be something special about it. Right, I'm stuck. I'll just have one more chat with them and then I'll call it a day. Excuse me, Guybrush. You're blocking the sun. Okay, let's have another go. I hear the weather's pretty nice over Monkey Island. You can tan your little titties there. Nice try, Guybrush, but no banana. Right, well that's that. Okay, so that's all we can do there with the crew. In that case, it's got to be back in the room, I would say. There's nothing to do up there. Maybe we can use something with that, but I don't know yet. Okay, right, I'm going to have to call it a day, I think. Get the knock-in a bit fresher in the morning. Or tomorrow, whenever I play it. There's nothing else there. One last little look-see. So the only thing I got out there was a Jolly Roger. Close it. Pick up chest. Okay, let's just open the damn thing just for the hell of it. Alright, use pen on ink. Bookmarks, cereal box. Maybe we've got something. Well, yeah, well and truly stuck. Let's leave it here. Thanks for watching, everyone, and at least we're out on the seas now, and we shall be travelling to Monkey Island soon, hopefully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Cheerio.